Who we have next?
You have the stomach of the band.
What?
The bass player, a Johnny. Everybody give a big round of applause for the bass player.
Yeah!
Yes! Rastafari. Right now we're going to continue.
Good job. Yeah? Well, this song I'm going to sing for you, I wrote this song one day. I was at home chilling. And everywhere I go, I see people looking for that special key to open that special door when they need, which they feel. But where is that special key? Just keep it rolling, keep it rolling, na 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 na. There's that special key for that special door. There's that special key that everybody's searching for. There's that special key for that special door. There's that special key that everybody's searching for. There's a key out there. So many people don't live in vain. I know you've been facing the struggles for years. Your child just wipe away those tears. And I know they don't care for the youth. That's why they use them in the streets and just a shoot. The youth is there, so think twice before you shoot. Alright, the job will watch over you. There's that special key for that special door. There's that special key that everybody's searching for. That special key for that special, special door. That special key that everybody's searching for. Okay, already have money when you're big man, but still you have something missing inside. Just love is something that you can never buy, so they'll never know. Just love me said it's sweeter than honey. When we wake up and we love when the sun is shining, it's sunny. Yes, you know say me no need no money as long as me a judge alone. So there's that special key for that special door. Yeah, that special key that everybody's searching for. That special key for that special, special door. That special key that everybody's searching for. My people, that special, special. Find this key that everybody's searching for. If I tell you how to find this key for that special door. If I tell you how to find this key, you have to listen carefully. If I tell you how to find this key, you already know, because it's inside of you and me. Blessings, my people. Blessings, my people.